For the last 10 years, the International Seafood Sustainability Foundation, ISSF, has been conducting research and advocacy activities on mitigating environmental impacts of purse-seine fisheries, with emphasis on bycatch and fads. These include broadly, at-sea research, interactive workshops with vessel skippers, and advocacy for RFMOs to adopt mitigation measures. In March 2019, a workshop was held at FAO headquarters to review progress made and to identify main focus areas for future mitigation activities. The workshop was co-funded by the Common Oceans ABNJ Tuna project, which has also funded some of the research activities over the past 5 years. During the two-day workshop, participants including leading marine scientists, observers, purse-seine skippers, fleet managers, representatives from industry, processors, fishing equipment and technology providers, non-governmental organizations, and RFMOs, met to share insights and experiences from bycatch mitigation research and fads to priorities for future research.
I think that it's a good moment to have a review of the last 10 years where there's been a good progress on bycatch management and fad management.
It's really great to have so many different stakeholders present at this workshop, where it gives us the opportunity to interact with real fishermen as well as scientists that are involved with developing sustainable practices in this fishery.
A thing I like to pay attention to is how do we communicate the technical work that's being done with some of our broader audiences? How do we make sure it's clear why these research trips or why the work that certain vessels are doing, why is it important?
It's a brilliant platform to bring the issues of sustainability to the fore and actually involving industry to come up with solutions to resolve these issues.
I think the forum is very well organized in order to get everybody's view and eventually try to converge into a new 10-year plan.
While solutions for curbing bycatch and improving fads continue, the opportunity to bring a dynamic, cross-functional group together provided practical insights and inspired ideas. The workshop not only provided ISSF with more information to continue its mission, but gave attendees a renewed vigor to the importance of the cause.
I can help by passing information to my colleagues and other fleet friends which we are working and sharing information so we can improve our operations in means of targeting only the tuna species and then reducing the bycatch ratio.
I think the industry in general is very grateful to ISSF's ability to create this type of effort because you have many well-intentioned fleets who need the direction and the study and the scientific analysis, and they're, rather than just assuming that the industry has negative intentions or doesn't care, they're working with us and helping to find solutions together.
To learn more about ISSF and how you can get involved, and to learn about our sustainable tuna fishing contest for marine science graduate students and postdoctoral researchers, visit iss-foundation.org.